what makes up the sound that we're hearing is different samples and recordings, rocks falling, wood creaking, stuff that somehow conveys an image of a living thing in motion. We cannot make the Earth's magnetic field make a sound, but we can make it control these sounds. So the movements and the action that you hear in this sonic representation is controlled by magnetic field. A lot of the reactions that we've gotten from this project is that this Earth's magnetic field sounds scary, and I'll admit that it does have some scary elements to it. That wasn't the intention when we started working on it.